Yes, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in Yes Mall. See, there is no sale ng special offer yet. It's not yet holiday. Ano ba yun? Ayan. See, ayan. May pansis. Ayan, going down. God. Oh, nice dress. I like the dress. That dress. Nice. I like the style of the dress. Maybe it's oh. Look at that. It's like a metal tree. What is that sound? Hey guys, today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day, everyone. Yes, mom. See? Pink na pink dress doon na daanan doon. Ang ganda. Kaso lang mahal din siguro. Yung nadaanan doon na. Mahal din siguro.
Branch for yes, madami yung mga kahit mga may mga tatak
Doon nga ako nakabili nung Adidas na jacket ko, 100. Original na siya. Sa may brand for less. Ayan. Yes, mom. Oh, may mga sila dito. Ito, restaurant. Akala ko nagtitinda ng halaman. Ang daming halaman, no? Akala ko tinitinda yung halaman. Restaurant pala yun. Kainan pala. Oh. Akala ka tinitinda yung halaman naman. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like. Heartily pa kung suggestion and of course, don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.